In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a GitHub repository. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to grab the correct link so you can send it to teammates, clients, or anyone who needs access. This process works best on desktop, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. I'll also point out a few tips so you understand what kind of link you're copying and when to use it. Start by signing into GitHub and heading to your dashboard. From there, open the repository you want to share. You'll know you're on the main repository page when you see the file list, the README, and a toolbar across the top with options like Issues, Pull Requests, and Actions. If you're in a subfolder or a specific file view, use the repository name near the top to jump back to the root so the next step is easy to find. Near the top right of the file list, look for the green Code button. Click it to open a small panel. You'll see a field with a URL and options like HTTPS and SSH. For most sharing scenarios, keep it on HTTPS. It's the most universal format and doesn't require the recipient to have SSH keys configured. To copy the link instantly, click the little clipboard icon next to the URL. You should see a quick confirmation toast, something like copied, letting you know the link is in your clipboard. What you just copied is the repository's clone URL. That means it's perfect for developers who want to run a git clone command to pull the code locally. If you're sharing with non-developers who only need to view the repository in a browser, consider sharing the repository's page link from your address bar instead. That's the human-friendly URL that opens the repo on GitHub's website. A quick rule of thumb: clone URL for development workflows, browser URL for simple viewing. A couple of quick tips before you send the link. If the repository is private, the recipient will need the appropriate permissions to open or clone it. Otherwise, they'll see an error or an access request screen. If the link you copied starts with JIT and looks unfamiliar, that's the SSH variant. Switch the toggle to HTTPS and copy again for broader compatibility. And if you're unsure whether the right link was copied, paste it into a message or a note to double check before you share it widely. That's it. Open the repository, click the code button, copy the URL, and share it wherever you need. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.